Hello, welcome to the new video. Today we are going to learn and draw some shapes. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's draw some shapes. Triangle, circle, rectangle, diamond, square, hexagon. Let's color these shapes. But see, what colors do we have? Red color, yellow, pink, purple, pink, black, blue, brown, parrot green, orange, dark blue, and dark green. Let's paint. What color is this? Red. What shape is this? Triangle. Now, what color is this? Yellow. What shape is this? Circle. Let's paint it. Now, what color is this? Green. What shape is this? Rectangle. Let's paint it. Now, what color is this? Blue. What shape is this? Diamond. Let's paint it. Now, what color is this? Orange. What shape is this? Square. Let's paint. Now, what color is this? Pink. What shape is this? Hexagon. Let's color. Now, we are going to write down their names of these shapes. What shape is this? Yes, it's a triangle.
Hooray!
Triangle. Now, what color is this? Yellow. What shape is this? Yes, it's a circle. Circle. Now, what color is this? Green. What shape is this? Yes, it's a rectangle.
Hooray!
Rectangle. Now, what color is this? Blue. What shape is this? Yes, you're right, it's a diamond. What color is this? Orange. What shape is this? Yes, it's a square.
Hooray!
What color is this? Pink. What shape is this? Yes, It's a hexagon.
Hooray!
Hexagon. Wow, these are beautiful shapes. See you next time. Bye.